I spent hours on the best money-making apps to find out if they really pay as much as they say they do. There are so many money-making apps out there. Some claim that you can make $30 an hour. Well, there's YouTubers saying that you can make up to $300 a day using money-making apps. So let's find out if it's worth your time. Alright, so first up we have UserFeel. Now the way UserFeel works is you're basically a tester. So what you do is you test out apps or websites. So for example, if a company's developing a website, they're gonna wanna know how easy it is to navigate, how easy it is to get to checkout, and just your overall thoughts as a user on the website. So signing up for UserFeel, you have to take kind of a qualifying test. So I ended up actually taking this test. It's about a 15-minute intro test. It just kind of had me go through this website and test it out. So I ended up having to take this test twice because right as I finished the first time, the app crashed and I had to redo everything. So it ended up being about 36 minutes of my time to do the practice test twice. And then after that, I just had to wait in order to get approved. It took me about 1 week to get approved, and it's been more than 2 weeks since I signed up for the app and I still haven't gotten a test. So with this app, I have made a total of $0. I don't know if I'll ever make a single penny off this app. The second one I tried out was Google Rewards. Google will give you surveys, and for each survey you complete, it's $1. Now online it says you could get those surveys once a week, once a day, once a month, right? It kind of varies. And so I tried signing up for this Google Rewards, and I tried like 1,000,000 times. I re-downloaded, I restarted, but basically it won't let me enter my info in order to complete my account. And I looked this up, and that's kind of a similar issue that iOS or iPhone users tend to have. So I had high hopes for this, but ultimately I've made $0 off this. All right, the next app is 1Q. And this is another survey app. Basically, you get notifications to take quick surveys, and you can generally make anywhere between 25 cents and $1 taking these surveys. Now this one I was actually able to sign up successfully and take a couple surveys on. I probably got about 1 survey a day, roughly, and that's about 25 cents a day. But the good thing is that the surveys don't take very long. Most of them took less than a minute. Some took a little bit longer, but then they paid you $1. The issue that I had with this app is that I did end up missing 2 questions because the app will notify you when there's a question available. You have to get on as soon as you can, because if you wait 20 to 30 minutes, that question's probably going to have expired, and then you can't fill out the survey question to get paid for it. So you kind of miss that opportunity. So you got to be able to have access to your phone and do it quickly. And I made about $5.50 off using 1Q. And you generally get a question maybe every day or every other day. All right, the next one we're going to be talking about is Clip Claps. And basically what this app is you can play games or watch videos kind of like TikTok videos or YouTube videos on this platform, and you get paid to watch videos and play games. I mean, the app is pretty easy to navigate. It could look a little nicer, be a little bit more user-friendly, but overall it's pretty decent. With Clip Claps, honestly, the videos are straight up garbage. Probably watched a dozen, probably more videos than that, and I didn't really enjoy any of them. They're all just kind of, some of them were a minute long, some of them were 8 minutes long, and honestly they weren't like crazy exciting or anything like that, but you did get paid for them. The issue is that it's a little bit harder to search for videos that you want to see, and it's just the quality of the videos aren't great. Now the games are a little bit better. They look a little bit more professional depending on the game that you play. The issue is that if you play a game that isn't like top 2 or top 3 on their list, then you get so many ads when playing the game. It makes the game not worth playing, honestly, because it just lags. Ads will pop up in the middle of the game or in the middle of a round, not when you end the round or not when you're starting a new game. It just randomly pop up, and the ads are they're kind of scammy. They're pretty low quality ads, and they aren't great, to be honest. So you just get so many ads when playing the games. So I spent about 2 hours on Clip Claps watching videos and playing games, and I made a whopping total of $1.56. And $1.50 of that came from rewards. So I really only earned 6 cents from watching videos and playing games for about 2 hours. Alright, so the last app we're talking about today is FOAP. So basically what this is you can enter competitions, or you can just upload pictures you have on your iPhone or that you take that people might want to buy. There's specific missions or competitions that you can enter in. You know, people might be looking for, pictures of flowers or something like that. And so if you have pictures of flowers on your phone, or you can take some pretty nice ones, then you might get paid for them. Now, I uploaded more than 33 pictures from my phone onto this app. And it takes a while to get pictures uploaded, right? Because each picture, if you're just uploading it to sell individually, each picture you need, tags, you need a title, caption, all these things, and you need to verify that there's not a person in there, and if there is a person in the picture, that you have permission to sell the picture, blah blah blah, right? Now, I did enter into 2 different missions to try to earn some additional money. There aren't too many missions to complete, honestly. I thought there would be a lot more variety to choose from, but there's only a couple missions that you can enter in at a time that are even available, and basically you have to compete against everyone else that uploads a picture to this mission. So your odds of winning aren't great, and you only get paid if you win. And so I uploaded all those pictures, entered 2 different missions, and after more than 2 weeks, I didn't make a single penny from this app. So overall, I spent nearly 4 hours across these 5 apps. Some a lot more than others. And I made a total of $7.06, which is $1.77 an hour. So my recommendation is that you find a different side hustle. Don't waste your time using these money-making apps. However, I will say that the 1Q app has made me a lot for how much time I've put into it. I've probably put less than 20 minutes into using this app, and I've made $5.50 off of it, because the questions really don't take a lot of time. So granted, that's not going to make you a ton of money, but over a year, that could be pretty good, just for answering a few questions here and there. So I'm going to keep the 1Q app and see how much money it can keep making me over a year, and I'll post a video later about that. The other app that might be worth trying is the Google Opinion Rewards. Now, I wasn't able to sign up for this because of technical difficulties, but it's Google, and if they're paying you $1 a question and they give you a couple questions every week or every month, kind of the same deal as 1Q. Might be worth keeping around to make a little bit of extra money. But other than that, I think the other apps are definitely not worth it. I would say that you should definitely find a different side hustle. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you so much, and have a great rest of your day.